Hello and welcome again. Today we have, sorry, what's this?
A Meccano toy.
Yeah, thank you very much. This is a Meccano toy and it's a 10 in 1 models. You can build 10 models in at a time. Yes, 10 models, one at a time. Yeah, that's it. Because it contains 10 cars only in one box. And this box contains 225 parts and 2 real tools and 1 instruction sheet for 3 models. The 10, okay, for 3 models. For the 7 remaining models, you have to build them yourself. Oh, that's fantastic, right?
Yes.
Good. This is for 8 years and plus, and it's it has the STEM logo, which stands for I guess science, technology, engineering, and mechanics, which is allowing kids to develop their intellectual capacity and IQ and whatever. So it's something that is really cool for intellectual development of the kids. And yes, you want to open the box, right? Yes, you want to open the box? Okay, so let's open it. But, oh yeah, okay, you're counting the models.
And 10 cars.
Yes, it contains 10 cars. Yeah, these are race trucks, 4x4. Okay, and it's
Trucks.
trucks, yeah, all trucks and some kind of cars.
Road mode.
Yeah, off-road. Yeah, these are off-roads.
And a race mode.
Yes,
This
also.
is a race mode.
Okay, it can be used for racing, right? You can open the box if you want to.
Yes.
Yes, that's great. So go ahead. You can drag this stuff, and this is the 1723 model. If you know the reference, 17203. This is the model number of this toy. So go ahead, my friend, open it. Yes, go ahead. Okay, a little help. Come on. So this is how to do, and it's kind of complicated. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, you need some help, I guess, right? Let's open it together. It's not that easy. Maybe let's just open this stuff like this, like you tried to do at the first place, because their opening stuff is not really simple to do. Okay. Oh, you broke my camera, kid.
Sorry, camera.
Okay, let's open this box. Da, 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 da. Okay, go ahead. You can continue opening if you want to. You can continue opening. Up. Tack. And from this side also. Tack. Okay, so what do we have here? Yeah, that's great. We have, what's this? It's
Accessory.
accessories, yes. And these wheels. Is this some wheels? Right?
Yes.
Okay. And what do we have else? Yeah, all the accessories, and this is what we have here. It's kind of metal stuff. And we have the instruction sheets. So please subscribe, please, because now we are really happy to have subscribers in this channel. So this is kind of publicity to my channel. So please click on the subscribe button. This being said, this is the instruction sheet for the first model. So you have this one, first page. Oh, there is a lot of instructions. Second page, you can pause and take screenshots if you want to keep, if you lost your instructions and you want to keep them, you can just do a screenshot of these pages. and you have everything here. It's kind of long. Okay, so here is how to do. We haven't yet finished, and it's 29 instruction, and we haven't yet assembled the wheels. So we start assembling the wheels at the instruction number, which number is that?
32.
Right, it's the 32. It's the instruction number 32 when we start putting the wheels on, assembling the wheel, and we put them on the 34. Okay, right. So here we have to pay attention to this kind of symbols, so you know which screw you need to use. Which accessory? And sorry, yes, this is the second model. Okay, so the first model ends at the page 15 with 35 instruction, and the second model we start at the page 16. So here it is. Yes. So you'll use or reuse the same parts for building the cars. And this is the second model. If you lost your instructions, so here you are. You can take screenshots or pause the video and try to assemble based on what you have here. You can do a pause and then zoom in or zoom out. So this 1 by 1 means the scale. So this tool will help you have a real size of what you're doing. So it's the scale, and this symbol means that you should do this two times. Okay, and this means that you should flip to complete the action. You should flip what you have in hands to complete the action. And once again, here you need to flip again. You have it here. And okay, all right. This is quite simpler than the other one. So only a few pages until the page 21, and here you have your car assembled. The third model. So basically, the most complicated one is the first. And here is another one, the third and the last, based on the instruction manual that is provided. So here it is. This is how to do it. Again, you have to pay attention to the colors and to the size of the tools that you will use. So here is the instructions. Again, please share and subscribe. So if you lost this book, you can use this video to recall. And yeah, and this means that you will need to do the 15 to get the results of the 15, the step 15 and the step 17, to add them to get this the results of the step 18. So you need these parts and also the results of the 15 and 17. So here is what this means, and this is the 24th step. You will assemble the body at the 22nd step, and then have the results of the 22nd and 24th to complete the body again. Again, you have to flip here again and again. Make sure to have the correct pieces. So here is the final instructions in the next page, I guess. And here you are. In 33 steps, you have built your third and last provided model. And for the 7 remaining, you have to use your imagination. And this is where it's really interesting, because there is no instruction for it, and you need to do it yourself. This is the tools provided. So and here is the table that describes what's the name of each tool and how many one is provided in the box, and how many one you have inside your box. So I hope you have enjoyed that. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you like having this instruction in case you don't have them yet, or you had them and you lost them. So this can be really helpful. This is something that you should pay attention to. You see that this is look, my friend, this is the 3 by 4 and this is 37 by 64 inches. So you have to pay attention. These are quite different. B1 is different from the B2 because they have different sizes. This is 19 millimeter and this is 14.7 millimeters. So this is smaller than the B2. The B1 is smaller than the B2, even though they look similar. So that's why you have to pay attention when assembling your toy. So this is again, you have the S1, S2 and S3. They look similar but they have different dimensions, so make sure to use the correct one in the assembly instruction. Because if you don't use the correct one, you might be short of of tools, so you might miss some tooling. And because you have 13 from the smallest and 20 from the mid-size and 6 from the biggest. So that's it. I guess that's it, right? You ready to assemble your toy?
Yeah.
Yes. So I think that there is no quite. Oh, the troll fell down. Sorry, blue troll. Okay. And now we can open this stuff.
Sorry, treasure chest.
Oh, sorry, treasure chest. Also, okay. So here you have a really small parts. So you see these are really small, and we want the yeah, I think you need to assemble this by yourself, and then you make sure to have the correct pieces, because you need to pay attention to the size, to the dimensions, and to what's specified in the instruction. So this is what really you need to know. Sorry, you need to know in order to assemble your toy. So here it is, a lot of pieces, a lot of tools, and real metal parts. You hear the sound of the metal. So what do you think of your new toy? Is it cool?
Yes.
Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you if you have enjoyed.
Goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and goodbye. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.